Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO IQOO 5 Pro, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll down to find the security option. Now let's scroll down in order to find unknown source installations. Let's enter, and here, as you can see, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed, just like in my case, to install some content. So if you want to change it, for example, if you'd like to allow Chrome to install something, just tap on the switcher right here and tap on allow. As you can see right now, the Chrome is active, which simply means that it is allowed to install some content, but be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk by letting them download something, install something. So be aware about that. And of course, it will work the same with all other apps. Just tap on the switcher and tap on allow. If you want to, you can get back all previously given permissions. Just tap on the switcher again, and from now on both of the apps are not allowed to install anything. So actually this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your VIVO IQOO 5 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.